Hey guys, A-Tech Reviewer here with an unboxing of the Anker Astro E1. Here we have some model info. Alright, let's get this open. Alright, let's open it up. The battery. Let's take it out of its sleeve. Here it is. It's actually very small in the hands. Easily stored in your pockets or purse. Alright, let's see what else is in here. If I could get this box out. Okay. Some cards at the bottom. We have a satisfaction card. And a welcome guide. Let's take a look at the accessories that come with the battery. Just pull this out right here. Alright, so it comes with a mesh carrying pouch, which normally comes with all the Anker external batteries, and we also have a micro USB cable. Let's take a look at the specifications of the battery, which are listed at the bottom of the unit. Let's see if it comes with any power. Okay, so it comes with a 25% charge level. So there's the input port and the output port with IQ technology, of course. And that is a quick look at the Anker Astro E1. See you guys next time.